This is Mike, NoStressMike.com. I'm on the road. I'm in, here, let me get this thing put up here. Left Tulsa about noon, and heading north. I'm going to be doing customer appreciation in Omaha, Nebraska, June 6th and 7th, and I'm kind of heading that way. And but anyway, let's see. Now I think it's the what is it? 27th, I think, something like that. Is Memorial Day. Memorial Day? Yeah, Memorial Day. Let's see, 2019, and but I'm driving north from Tulsa, and it's been tough. I go on one highway, and then it gets water over the road. I have to turn around and go back and start taking side roads. The side roads got water over the road. Got to turn around and go back. It's been very, very tough. Let's see. Right now, it's been 5 hours, and I'm about halfway there to Topeka from Tulsa, and it's a 4-hour drive. So I still got a ways to go. But the flooding there's a lot of flooding going on. And I've found it kind of odd. Well, for one thing, I don't know what all you know about what goes on out here in the plains, but all the towns are located on the river, because that's where the water is. And nowadays we have water wells, stuff like that, but 100 some, maybe 150 years ago, every town was on a river. You're just not going to just put a town anywhere you want to. Exception is a town called Nowata, Nowata, Oklahoma, and there's no river on that one. But most towns are located on the river. And now I'm coming up here, and I've been having to take a lot of country roads and back roads and stuff like that, and because of the flooding. And now the thing is, I've been raised around here, so I know a lot of these roads. And remember, I was in the oil business. And when you're in the oil business, you get way back out in the middle of nowhere. And so I've been all over these places, so I know a lot of these roads. But it's still, they get water, and I have to turn around and go back. And but I'll tell you, if this was, and I'm in no hurry, no big deal. But if there was an emergency going on, you would need road maps, local road maps, because like I say, I know where the roads are. But if I had to take these roads at night, I wouldn't know. I probably wouldn't be able to do it, especially if it's night and it's raining, and you're trying to avoid contact. Like I say, in my experience in Mexico and Central America, well, I guess everywhere, everywhere except for the United States, you have people putting up roadblocks, and it's kind of tough getting around, and doing it at night or under stormy conditions, it'd be really tough getting around. and trying to seek shelter. And I mean, there could be a lot of problems. But I say right now, this drive is just turning into an adventure. Oh wow, talking about an adventure. My check engine light came on also, and I'm I say hours from any mechanic, I guess. That if you have a strange car, weird car, it'd be tough to get it worked on. But anyway, it's just telling me it's the oil change. So that's a good thing about not panicking when you have problems. And so I say I can figure out that I got somebody trying to pass me now. I'm doing 71 and a 65, so I don't get a ticket. But you really, if you think you're going to be moving in a shit at the fan situation, you really better be prepared. I did bring my, I mentioned before, I got a, what's this? Yeah, I just checking. I didn't know if this thing was recording or not. I did mention I got my, I have a vest, backpack. I got everything I need for rescue, tornado rescue, flood rescue, this type of stuff. I've got that with me. So, yeah, there he's passing me now. But is for rescue, and also I would need that stuff to survive in a tornado and a flood situation. So, but that's what I'm bringing with me. And but it's not that easy getting around. Now maybe I would say it was not going to be any easier in the city. If you're trying to go from one end of the city to the other end of the city, or if you work in the city and you're trying to get home, going out, you better go through your vehicle, make sure you got everything you need. And I would say a rescue gear, having rescue gear with you would probably be a good idea also. But I say I'm making my trip up here. Let's see, this, like I say, this Monday. I'm gonna spend time with my family up here, and then I go to Kansas City. I'll be working in Kansas City, someone's home. We got about a half a dozen people that need to work on over the weekend, and so that's why I'm heading up here. And I'm not sure yet, but it looks like I'm going to be moving up here in this area also. I've been getting more and more work up here, and we're just going to try to play it by ear on that kind of stuff. But also with my family, they know how I am, and they've needed me before, and I've been there for them. And so, but they also know other people have needed me, and I've been there for them. So they know just because I'm here doesn't mean I'm gonna be staying here. Especially, like I say, I've got good health, and I'm trying to do Hoi Chi is what I've been doing. Been traveling around doing the Hoi Chi. But anyway, I wanted to bring this to your attention. Traveling around in a disaster is tough. And this also, I started at noon for a 4-hour drive, so I got a lot of daylight. I got 9 hours of daylight that I should be able to get around in, no matter what kind of problems I have. But like I say, it's been a while since I've traveled. Normally, I'm in foreign countries, and it's really difficult. And if I can travel 100 miles in a foreign country after a disaster, you're doing something. And here I'm traveling by about 350 miles today. So, and like I say, I've been taking breaks, so it's not all that bad. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you a little bit about my travels, let you kind of keep up with what's going on, what I'm getting ready to get myself into. But anyway, I'll let you go. This is Mike, NoStressMike.com.